Hello everyone and welcome once again. Thought for school or online morning assembly. And the thought is, if you fail to achieve your goal, change the strategy, not the goal. And the meaning of this thought is, goals are what we want to achieve in our life. Without goal or aim, we are directionless. Setting goal is easier than to achieve it. To achieve goal, we should work on it by choosing an appropriate strategy. Sometimes, for most people, their goals have much value for them, and when they don't achieve, it breaks their heart. The best solution of this is to find out the reason of the failure and to come back with a better strategy to achieve your goal. For example, there is a cricket match between two teams and both want to win the match, but one team is not playing good. In this situation, this team apply another strategy or approach to win the match. My dear friends, sometimes it is better to change the approach, strategy and should try again to achieve the goal. Thank you. Have a good day.